This is a grille display module. We will introduce a high-precision screw machine and how to assemble the screws for the grille display module. Operators are responsible for placing the masks on top of the grille display module, while screw machines are responsible for assembling the masks onto the grille display module. What are the advantages of this screw fastening machine? In order to maximize the manufacturing speed of the product, the machine uses two independent control systems, which are equivalent to two machines combined into one. Two working heads can be assembled separately for different or identical products. Screw application range, M0.6 to M2.0. Quickly switch between different screws. Two extra large platforms measuring 500 mm x 500 mm, capable of accommodating multiple modules for simultaneous processing. During the assembly process, the system will monitor in real time whether the screws are being assembled correctly, to ensure that each screw is installed precisely according to the specified requirements. Each screw assembly situation supports data tracking, including screw tightening time, tightening torque, number of screw rotations, screw assembly depth, and other data can be viewed. When an anomaly is detected, the working head is automatically placed into the recovery box and picks up a new screw for reassembly. Using an air blow screw feeding system, the screw assembly time of the working head is 0.8 seconds. This machine can assemble LED module masks, bottom shell kits, and various other products, offering excellent versatility. The visualized interface provides real-time access to production data, operating time, downtime, and other key metrics. Each workhead is equipped with a high-definition CCD camera to enhance screw assembly accuracy and enable fast programming and positioning by technicians.